What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a new meeting on Zoom app on PC. So the first thing that we have to do is to open our Zoom app, then at home screen we are gonna see new meeting button. We are gonna click on it, like so. We're gonna mute and turn off the camera for this tutorial, and what we have to do now is to start our meeting. Okay, now our meeting is on. Now you can see a lot of things like participants, the chat, you can react, for example. I reacted now. Or you can share it. You have host tools, meeting info, apps and more. You can do a lot of things now. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.